couple of months back, I was suffering from numbness and tingling sensations. So I met my doctor and we did some tests, and it was found that I had a deficiency of vitamin B12. And this deficiency is normally found in all the vegetarians. So I highly recommend everyone to do this test of vitamin B12. Now I was looking for a natural solution to overcome this deficiency. Fortunately, I found the vitamin B12 supplements from Satvam very effective, and thanks to these supplements from Satvam, that today I have overcome this deficiency of vitamin B12. The level of B12 has been boosted, and because these supplements are natural and plant-based, I highly recommend to all those who are having the deficiency of B12. Many thanks to Satvam, and it helped me to overcome this deficiency. Thank you.